lived in Houston my entire life, and I've never seen the water come up over the seawall before. And again, that's about 17 feet. We're standing in front of the San Luis Hotel. And hurricane
We've got the inner eye, the small part of the storm system, just moving through the Galveston area right now, or just sitting offshore. That's probably going to clear the shoreline, at least the center of that will clear the coast here. Probably.
Then
because I hated that tree.
kurczę.
That's so cool to me.
What?
Listen. The guitar.
It's crazy. Which one is
It's easy. Well, I never tried it, but like I can see it
Oh,
on YouTube.
mira ese techo.
¡Ay, ese techo! De la formación intelectual, social y cultural de los jóvenes por medio de clases de baile. La organización Salsa Dancers Incorporated ofrece becas y clases de baile a jóvenes con familias de bajos recursos. ¿Quién es profesor de techo?
Mira su nuevo, todo su nuevo fence que puso.
¡Hola, vecino!
Bueno, todo eso depende, como lo habíamos mencionado anteriormente, lo que se le está dando
Think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, singing how do you do? They really say I love you. I hear babies cry and I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than we'll know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like a lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. And the dreams that you did